Have you ever seen a $2 million fixer-upper? Watch this video and I'm going to show you one. Do me a favor, can you hit the like button and also subscribe? It helps the algorithm. That's what I'm told. So right now I'm standing here in the middle of a $2 million fixer-upper here in San Francisco's Forest Knolls neighborhood. And what makes this a $2 million fixer-upper? One is the large square footage. It's a duplex too. And then back behind me, unfortunately, the fog has come in so you can't see it, but you've got beautiful ocean views. At least you can see the views from here, and you can see that beautiful San Francisco fog coming in. But now let's take a look. So now I'm going to point out some of the things that make it a fixer. Now, oops, you can see this flooring is kind of bubbled up. So you're going to have to replace all this flooring in here. You can see, I don't know if you can see, but when I do that, so, and you know, look, so if you look at this too, in the old days, they used to break things up a little more, and we don't like that. Oh, this is really funny when I walk. You can see they started to do an update on the kitchen, but this whole area, you know, sectioning off the kitchen from the rest of the living area is something that really people don't like these days. So we really need to do away with this wall. Now, why didn't they do that? This wall is probably load bearing, which means it's carrying the weight of the roof, so it's very expensive, but you can do it. So you'd get a structural engineer in here, and they would figure out how you could open up this wall here. So they started with the kitchen just to give it a good look, but this place needs a lot more. But you can see, look at these views and the beautiful fog coming in. So we're gonna go upstairs and then we'll take a look at the lower unit. Now what's nice is this is a duplex, so you can live in one, you know, get it all fixed up. And you can see, you know, it's dated, but let's go upstairs. And you can see the bedroom here. And wherever I walk, this flooring is not doing well. You can see too, you know, I must have an old roof, and maybe that's why the flooring is buckling, is because the roof is old and it leaked, and that's why these wood floors are having problems. So nice to have washer dryer in here. Let's do this. And then, so look at this. This is not real rock. This is like a tile. This is very funny with pictures of rocks. Very funny. So let's take a look here. You know, kind of funky bedroom, small bedroom, but you got the beautiful views. And then this is the master bedroom and bath. I would change that too. I don't know if I like having my, and then fireplace in here. And nice to have a deck. But again, you see staining on the ceilings, so that's not good. So I don't like having your closet and the bathroom in the same place because you're going to get a lot of steam and everything into your clothes. So probably not good. But the views are awesome. So as you can see, unit number 1 here needs quite a bit of updating and work and opening it up, and definitely some changes that need to be made. So now we'll go down to unit number 2. Okay, so now we can see this bottom portion is truly a fixer-upper. This needs more than updating. So looks like here, let me get you turned around. Okay, so you can see why this is also fixer-upper too. They started, it looks like here, this would be the kitchen. Probably had leaking from above. Also, it looks like this is a flat roof, so I never recommend having a flat roof. It always seem to leak, and you always have to maintain them. If you have them, just make sure you maintain them. You see this wiring here? This is the old-fashioned knob and tube, and it's something that you should replace. Have an electrician come in and replace it, because that is not good. It's prone to overheating and catching fire and stuff like that. So not a good thing. So usually I have people would recommend that they get changed out with an electrician. And you can see the bathroom here needs updating. And this looks like the master bedroom. And again, you've got the knob and tube. See this plumbing, this is the old galvanized plumbing. And you can see here, this is going to be the master bathroom, and I'm assuming shower back there. But what's really nice here, they have a nice deck, and what's great is, obviously, are these stunning views. Sorry the fog's coming in today, but it's still beautiful. You can see nice big deck, so this makes it all worthwhile. So hopefully that gives you a good idea of what you could get here in San Francisco's Forest Knolls neighborhood for a $2 million fixer, but you'll have quite a bit, especially with these stunning views here. If you're interested in something like this, hey, leave a comment down below or give me a call, email, whatever, and I'd be happy to help you find one of these. All right, this is David Poulsen, live here in San Francisco.